Hello guys, the very first thing you wanna do is you get your machine to plug in, remove the plug, and then this is the plug. You need to plug in and then turn on. You see, get the light in here. If you turn it on, automatically the light is on, and we are ready to get our accessories. This is the accessories. We can see all the accessories inside, so open it and then we put it outside. You see, we check what is inside the accessories. So we got a plastic bobbin. If you buy a plastic bobbin, if you buy a plastic machine, and then you can get a plastic bobbin. So we got 1, 2, and 3 plastic bobbin. And of course we got the bobbin case. That is the bobbin case. So let's take a look the accessory box. I gonna pull out a vertical spool pin just so we can poke about it. As we started to winding our bobbin and where our spool needs actually go. This is the bobbin case area. We need to open it like this, and then later on I will explain it to you how to put the bobbin. So for winding the bobbin, put the thread, and then we need to put the spool cap and hook up in place like this. And then we need to remember that the thread need to come up with a straight line, and then follow this one. I show you. Okay, follow this one straight, and then hook it into this small area here. So hook it and then follow this one. Just show the thread need to hook like this, and turn it around like that. Okay, and then just follow this drawing, and then for the bobbin, I gonna take our thread from the inside to out one of the hole there and turn around the thread and put it on and push it over like this. Push it over. Yeah, and we start to winding it like this. So easy busy. Very easy, right? And then we need to use the cutter here in this side and cut it like this. And now we are ready to put the bobbin case inside. So yeah, open this box, and then here's the trick for putting it into the bobbin case. What we gonna do is look for the bobbin and then put it inside. The thread come over the side of the bobbin and spin clockwise. Got a little C in this area, like kind of thread are set it on. Then pull the thread. So become a left-handed. That's the key here. You hold it clutch out with a left index finger. The bobbin not gonna drop out. And then put it, and easier to put it inside your machine like this, and then close it. Okay, this little guy is only for winding the bobbin. It seems like this, so you don't need that. Okay, for threading the machine, and sometimes you're gonna do is hold on to this thread to this little hard resistance and coming down through the groove of the machine underneath and hook it inside, and gonna come in the right side all the way to the left side on top of the tip over, and hook it onto the one guy on top of the needle. I show you this one, and hook it into the needle threader. Yay! Okay, we put it into the needle threader now.